Kadau ba penlong ye kame kelia ban kio ha ka jingdon ki bio pang ye kopet kadai e na ka jingpu ha ketem ki sipai BSF bat kawairu na ki brio ki buan phai na shabar ka jala kan thup na khana para namar ka don ba hasanda janga gauti ong umti rang ba ka jala Conrad ke songma habai kren ba umti rang ba ulo ong ru ba ha ki wei ki benta ka jingdon ki bio positive kalang hiar bat kan omdon shu ka jingkio ha ka jingdon ki bio thama yu te virus na du ka tio ban wan namar kan omdon shu ka jingwan ki brio na bar jala hadin bala khanglut iki khrdop rong Nalo kata umitrang ba ulo ongru ba community ba hakini kindiat Sngi banwan kindan bon kinong pang kiban sakot no namar bon naki kila jandab ya ka jingset slung ba khatau Sngi bat aru prasngi.
Yes, we still have the cases of the spikes taking place in BSF and in the returnees also. But apart and of course in Khanapara because it's next to Guwahati. But apart from that, the other clusters, more or less, we are seeing things now plateauing and flattening, and so therefore we don't expect too many cases to come up in the other clusters. At the same time, in the returnee cluster also, we expect in the next week. 10 days there will be a decrease because we are closing our entry points, so we don't expect to see many cases jump up, so therefore we'll again see the curve flattening. And also in the BSF case, we have asked BSF not to allow any more of the returnees to come back, and therefore in that situation only the transit people who of the BSF will be coming back, and the transit people also almost all of them are back. So again in the BSF case also we don't expect to see an increase anymore. So I hope that in the next few days we should see the curve flattening, and at the same time we do expect that in the next few days there will be a large number of recoveries, because we have seen the large spike in the BSF, 15, 20, 30 cases in a day. I think those kind of numbers now are reaching the point where they're going to start recovering, which requires 14 days and 15 days. So therefore, keeping both these factors in mind, I hope to see some kind of flattening taking place. But again, point is that we cannot let our guards down, so we need to always be careful, which is what we'll continue to do. No, we have more than 20,000 people who have returned back to the state, and initial count that we had was about 13,000 people who were registered. So after that, the rest of the people who have come in are people who were not registered with us, or rather I should say were not pre-registered with us. But obviously as soon as they enter in Bernihat or in Bajingdoba or Ratachera or any of the official check gates, that is a point they have to register. So now we are seeing more of cases that come in on their own without pre-registering. So we expecting we normally expect every day about 120 to 150 people coming in. So that is the average that we have right now. So it's difficult to say how many more people will still come in, but we are seeing that the number is averaging about 120 to 150 nowadays.